just going to cane it on you now.
Flipping it.
The lights.
It's in low now. Very high when I belted it on it. Go on, so go on.
Get a bit of a run.
Run.
And again. Bit of Craig Theory.
Alright, a bit of Craig.
Bit of Craig Theory.
Alright, a bit of Craig to you. Let's see where I'm going.
Oh, nearly, go on. Another run.
Oh, it's stuck actually.
Oh, go on then.
Woo!
No, come backwards.
Back.
Yeah.
Get yourself out.
There you go.
That's it.
Keep it in low foot now. I'll try it in Irish.
Go up straight a bit with it.
I'll do it in full of waterproof, innit? So that's
Yeah.
no inside, is that alright?
Yeah.
Or else body will be a bit covered up with it, innit?
Watch for cars coming.
Don't worry, I'll get out way quicker than that.
Christ, look how far it's going. Put your back now.
What you have to do is you have to stop. You have to wait before you kick into reverse.
Uh-oh. Go on.
Don't dare belt it because I can't keep it in a straight line.
Straight down, straight. Keep going.
Watch cars.
Whoa! There's a ball behind it.
Whoa. Turn around, come back now.
Go, Derek.
Right, look at it. Is that an orange, alright? Slowing down already, isn't it?
Yeah.
Whoa! No, there must have been. Did you see it set off? No, what were wrong with it?
Well, the guy
It's
said
going fast enough.
if we put it into a low range,
See back end.